it's me, Alan, and welcome to Alan's Academy. Today, we're gonna make a rainbow popsicle with one same ingredient from earliest. Strawberry again, blueberry, kiwi, blackberry, and also lemon with honey. Yummy! Time! How did the popsicle change color? Because it ate a rainbow popsicle.
Okay.
Let's have some. What's your favorite fruit? Tell me on the comments below. Last mold. Two strawberries fell off the head. I have an apple. Now the molds are filled, we pour some lemon juice with honey in it in all of it. Now the icy treats have lemon with honey in it. Now we put the popsicles. We're ready to serve. There we go. Now they're ready to freeze 4 to 6 hours. Now let's open the freezer. After freezing for 4 to 6 hours or overnight, let's taste the rainbow popsicle. It's nice and sweet, and I like it. And look at that! Look at the popsicle. It's melting! Don't forget to subscribe, ring the bell, and also give my video a like.